Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY and others. So let's get started. As we all know, there has been a recent spike on the price of gold again, right now trading at 1937 gold. And yesterday it made a high of almost 1950 to 1948. So gold is extremely bullish right now. If you have a sell position, my dear friend, you must understand it very well that fundamentally gold is bullish. And as I always say, whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win. You must understand it very well that the war is not over. The war tension is still there. Though there was a dialogue between Russia and Ukraine, but it failed. So as a result, for the for next couple of days, the tension, the intensity of the war will be there, and as a result, gold will remain bullish. So, my dear friends, if you have a sell position, then you must look for an exit because we don't know in which direction. No, what will be the next resistance for gold? Because if you look at the chart here, then we have a resistance around 1970 73 75. But if the tension continues, then obviously gold will not respect the resistance and it will break the resistance and it will be going up. So my dear friend, in this market condition, you must understand that buying is the best option and it is the safest option as well. If you are a scalper, if you have been trading gold for a considerable period of time, then yes, you can go for selling for scalping purpose. But otherwise, if you are a trader who prefers to take a trade and the trade lasts for couple of hours, days, then you should be looking for buy positions only, long positions. Right now, gold is trading at 1936. This is the current market price here. And in this market condition, okay, the best support that we have is the trend line. You can see the market has been respecting the trend line as the dynamic support for the market. Whenever market is coming down, it is getting the required amount of support from the trend line and it is bouncing. So in case market comes to the trend line, observe the market carefully. Whenever you'll see that market is about to go up, take a buy position because this trend line is a really good support for the market as of now. On the other hand, the 50 moving average is also moving alongside the trend line, so you can also consider the 50 moving average as well. Instead of, if you don't know how to draw trend lines, if you're confused with the trend lines, then you can also put the 50 moving average, switch over to the 4 hour chart and just be on the trade. It will also do, okay, because these two are dynamic support and resistance and they really work well. As of now, it is working as dynamic support for gold. So whenever it will come and bounce from the market, take a buy position. And secondly, if you find gold going up around 1973-75, observe the market carefully. As I just said, if you're an experienced scalper, then only take a sell position. Otherwise, you can avoid. If you're a beginner, new to the market, then my dear friend, you can avoid taking a sell position because this is a buyer's market considering the tension going on because of the war. Okay, so this is a buyer's market, and yes, if the tension continues, because yes, Russia has declared that there will be another waves of attack on Ukraine, so as a result there will be fresh attacks and there will be more upside on gold, I guess. If that continues, you must be looking for buy positions only. It is the 4 hour chart. If you go to lower time frame for day trading purpose, okay, in the day trading, sorry, in a lower time frame also we do not have much. Okay, so buying at dip. Okay, to be honest, buying at dip is the only option here. Buying at dip. In the 4 hour chart, we had the 50 moving average and the trend line, but in the 15 minutes chart, 15 minutes we do not have much here. Okay, you just simply need to rely on the price action, that's it. And if you have a buy position on the chart of gold here, then be on the trade. I think that you will be making good money, good profit in the next coming days considering the fundamentals of the gold. If we move to the 1 hour chart of gold here, then we can see around 1920 we have a minus support. Okay, around 1920 we have a minus support. So if market comes down to level of 1920 and bounces, this can be also another trading opportunity. And this also looks like a bullish flag here. If you have already taken a buy position, be on the trade. So whatever it is, to be honest, we do not have much technical levels on the chart right now. It is just a buy at dip market. Okay. As long as the tension continues, buy at dip is the best option, safest option. Got it? And be in touch with the news, because this market is extremely sensitive to news right now. In case something comes up, okay, and if you see, you may also see heavy fall in the market as well. So risk management is extremely important in this market. And my dear friend, please use proper stop loss. If you are trading without stop loss, it's like suicide. Respect your hard-earned money, protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye.